To install, simply nestle it into the wireless charging slot of the Model 3 and Y. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick the light wherever you like. You can tuck the wires into the gaps. The installation method is the same for both the driver and passenger sides. Swipe down the screen to the dashboard view. Press and hold the crown to set the date and time. Tap the green check mark to finish the setup. Swipe right on the screen to access the lighting settings. Choose your favorite color. Keep swiping right to adjust the lighting modes. For lighting effects, you can choose from breath, voice, roll, and light. Swipe right again to customize the lighting color. Return to the main screen and swipe left to see the current lighting status. You can adjust the brightness until it's just right for you. Tap the button to turn off the lights. Tap again to turn the lights back on.